Lion means singer.
Tiger means
Bat.
monkey means
Bandar.
elephant means
Happy.
fish means
Mom.
dog means cat means
Uli.
horse means
Kola.
parrot means
Pato.
peacock means
Mayun.
pig means
Bagal uli.
hen means
Murgi.
cow means
Amin guru.
fox means
Amin kian.
rabbit means rhino means
God.
crocodile means
God
crocodile means
Kodak.
grapes means
Angur.